Izzy here at Digital Goja Showrooms. Today I'd like to go over a frequently asked question about the new Olympus OMD EM-1 Mark II. If this video helps you out, remember to hit me up with a like button underneath and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget, in Miami, come say hello at Digital Goja Showrooms. Does it have a headphone monitor jack? Yes. Again, this is Olympus listening to what us users want. There is the port. Completely sealed, because remember this is a weather sealed system. So we pop that open and it's the standard 3.5 plug. So you have your standard 3.5 plug from your headphone. Plugs in like so. And now you have the capability of monitoring your audio as you do your recording for your video. Well, I hope I answered your question about the OMD EM-1 Mark II. If you have further questions, don't forget to place them below and I'll answer them as best as I can for you. And don't forget, share this video with fellow photographers and videographers. Happy shooting!